Hey guys, Sean here, Mr. Beijing HBK, coming to you with another video of what's sold. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and stay tuned to see how this weekend went.
He's trying to take out the camera. Yeah.
I'm holding the camera. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. And he gets a straight up hit.
Oh my God. What?
Don't party on.
He's trying to make sure he doesn't get a good hit. I don't think that's working anymore. Get it, there we go.
All right, guys, let's go over what's sold this weekend on eBay. We've got this Derek Hart sundress. We're into this for about $5. Sold for 17s. So we got about a $12 profit here. We also sold these Vineyard Vines chino pants. These sold for about $15. Buyer pays shipping. So we got about a $10 profit here after fees. We got these New Balance Fresh Foam 1080. Paid about $10 for these, sold for about $45. Now these King Kong plush toys, or actually pet toys, we got this as part of a wholesale lot, and they sold for about $35. So that's what's sold on eBay. Now on Poshmark, also part of a wholesale lot, we have this art class kids dress. This sold for about $13 with the buyer paying shipping. Profit is about $8.50. Also on Posh, we sold these Tommy Bahama chinos. This sold for $15, buyer paying shipping. So we got about a $12 profit. All right, guys. So that's what's sold so far for the weekend. So that's what's sold for the weekend. It was a holiday weekend, so things moved a little slower this weekend. But that comes with the territory of being a reseller. Sometimes you have your high selling weekends. Sometimes you have your low selling weekends. It all comes with the different seasons and the change of the reselling quarters. But that's how it goes. All right, guys, so if you like what you see, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going to have more videos coming. But until next time, this is Sean, Beijing HBK from D Sweet Deals. I'll catch you later.